Hey guys, it's Chris. I'm here to show you how to get a free phone service, free phone bill from SolaveiI. So let's dive in, call their customer service.
Thank you for calling SolaveiI. Para español, digite dos. You are calling from mobile number 63029092221. To select a different number, press 1 now. To make a payment, press 1. For questions about your SolaveiI mobile service, 2.
2.
Your last payment in the amount of 0 cents was received on January 13th, 2013. Your current balance is 0. You have no payments due. You have an unlimited voice, text, and data plan. Your bill.
Okay, so you're probably wondering how to do that. Real simple. Refer 9 people, never pay a phone bill again. You get unlimited 4G talk, text, and data, and you actually start making money off of your own phone bill versus paying everybody else like T-Mobile and Verizon. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave you a link. I'm going to give you some more information, my contact information. We can get together, connect, and explain more how we can make this work for you. Thank you.